Stocking the fridge freezer is a weekly task for many of us. It comes as second nature after doing your shop. But that being said, how often do you defrost it? It's meant to be 1 to 2 times a year. And although many new freezers are frost-free these days, I like to keep on top of keeping mine clean. So let's talk through how to defrost and clean your fridge freezer safely. First thing you want to do is take all of the produce out and put them either into a cool box or a bag with some ice packs in it. Be careful not to mix up your frozen food with the cool produce from the fridge so that you don't get things mixed up when you're putting them back in. Then store all of those contents in a cool place in the house. I tend to choose either a cupboard or even outside if it's cold enough. Let's start with your freezer. Once the freezer's empty, you want to turn it off at the wall and lay some towels down at the foot of the open door. Be sure to save some for your worktops where we're going to place our shelves as well. From here, you want to take the drawers out and lay them on top of towels on your worktop to thaw out any excess frost. Now we have to wait for the ice to defrost. Unfortunately, there's not a one-time fits all for this, so it's just a case of waiting. In the meantime, let's crack on with cleaning the fridge. We're going to take out the shelves first to help us get into those sticky areas and place them on the side to be cleaned separately. What a lot of us tend to do is forget to clean this thing at the back. It's called the drain pipe and where most of the moisture from the fridge goes to. It can get clogged up easily, so don't forget to clean it often. With all that done, it's time to pop the shelves back in and make ourselves a quick cuppa whilst we wait for the freezer to finish defrosting. So that's our freezer all defrosted. As you can see, there's no frost left inside. So now let's get these towels cleaned up and into the wash before giving the inside a good clean. Before we start to load things back in, it's good to give things a good wipe down. So simply grab your cleaner, give it a spray and wipe away. With all that done, it's time to load everything back in and to get this fridge freezer switched on. And it really is as simple as that. Looking after your appliances will not only give them a chance to perform better, but have a longer lifespan in your home too. So make sure you look after them.